Good afternoon, Civics class. Welcome to week 9 of digital learning. Let me thank you for the work that you have been doing over the course of this semester. I know it hasn't been easy, it's been unique. Missed us being together, but hopefully the lessons that we've done, even though we've modified them greatly due to distance learning, I hope that it's been helpful in allowing you to get a little understanding of civics and politics and government, and hopefully it's maybe renewed your interest or piqued your interest in wanting to study more about how government works and some of the things that take place in government. Today, or this week, excuse me, we're really just going to be focusing on evaluating online sources and how can you determine what's fake and what's not fake, and because that is a key thing, especially dealing with COVID-19. There's so much discrepancy between what is accurate and what is not accurate, and I think it's important for us as we hear this information, especially through social media and other resources, that we're really engaged in finding facts and not just taking somebody's word for it. And so that's what we're going to be doing today, this week, but it's going to be in a fun way. So the first assignment that you're doing is an online scavenger hunt, and it's a game from goosechase.edu. So what you'll need to do is download this app, Goose Chase, on your iPhone or Android, whatever you have. So download the app, and then when you download the app, you want to register for an account because I need to know that it's you. So register for an account, make your username in the game clearly identify that it's you that's playing. And then you're going to select the Fight the Fake game that is there. The game code is located right here. You plug that in, and then you just follow the prompts and you play and get first place by how many points that you can get. I've got some instructions here for you on how to log in and set up. If for some reason you cannot download the game, then you need to email me by Thursday and say, hey, Mr. Carroll, I can't download the game, I can't play, because then I need to get you a written assignment that you need to do in place of playing the game. So hopefully you can play the game because it's pretty cool, it's pretty fun, something new that I'm trying, but I really like it. I think I'm going to be doing some more of these as we move forward, but that's what we'll be doing for this assignment. So goosechase.edu, go ahead, log in, start playing, have fun with it. And then the other thing that you have this week is a YouTube, excuse me, not a YouTube, but a TED Talk video from Natalie Warren. And I just think this is a very powerful video that talks about making an impact. We talk a lot about student voice, student choice, and I just want you to know that you have voice and you have an impact. You can make a difference. So this pretty cool story about how a young woman got involved in something that was very dear to her that she wanted to work through, and maybe you have something that you're interested in. It's interesting to see this being played out on the local stage as it as it relates to graduation at Bladen County. You know, right now there's a lot of discussion about what's the proper way for seniors to graduate. How should the ceremonies be? And I think seeing young people rise up and having voice and wanting a say in how they get to turn the tassel and have their ceremony kind of ties in to this TED Talk video. Fortunately, we don't have to deal with those, as we are just proceeding. You will be juniors, but it's still something that you need to be aware of how to have a voice. So you'll do the TED Talk worksheet. You do not have to write on this worksheet. Basically, what you will do is like question number 1, title of TED Talk, boom. Question 2, name of speaker, boom, and then go all the way down. Please remember, there are 12 questions. They need to be detailed. You need to let us know that you know what you're watching and what's saying. So I think it's a pretty good video. Hopefully it will be impactful for you. We're winding down the semester. So I appreciate the hard work that you've given, and thank you for your dedication. Finish strong. We'll get back with you as far as any other things that you need to work on as we progress. So have a great week. Email me if you got any questions.